Now f inverse of h is this. So now let us define the example of this function, which is fx equals to x square. The direct image of the set is, let e is equals to x is such that x is in between 0 to 2, equals to 0 and 2 is the set f of e. What is the function we have applied? F of x square. So the f of e is equals to y, which is such that 0 to 4, right? It is x square. So f of e is equals to 0 to 4. Now if g is equals to, let z is equals to y is such that f of 0 to 4, then the inverse image of g is the set. How to find inverse image of this? Inverse image, what is the meaning of inverse image? We say that x is in a is such that fx is in h, right? So f inverse of g, what is f inverse of g? X is in e is such that f inverse of g is in h, right? Fx is in h. So fx is in h means f of e. So what is this? F inverse of g is in between -2 to 2. But you can think that if you take f of e, inverse of f of e, which is not equals to e in this case, right? Because it is -2 to 2 and which is not equals to e. E is in between 0 to 2 and f inverse of f of e, which is equals to -2 to 2. So it is not equals to e. But when you take f inverse of g and other f, if you take f inverse of g as a set and take f on it, which is equals to g, so this is called, this is the fundamental things. If you take inverse image of a function's image, then it is not equals to the set. But inverse image, if you take the functions on the inverse image, then it is equals to the set. Okay, this is also a conclusion we have to put this.